Want to add a table to your Canva design? You're in the right place. If you find the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Well, first we would create the project. Then we'll click on Elements. And here we'll search for Shapes. And select this one. We will be able to change the color. And then we will give it the form. Well, now we will press on Position. Layers. Right-click, Duplicate. Now we will select both with Ctrl pressed. Then once they are selected, we'll press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V and arrange them. And do the same thing. Well, now we will select all of them. And we will press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. And so on until the end. Then we can add text or whatever. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.